There are rumors that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the regular Galaxy S23 will both feature the same design as the Galaxy S22 Ultra. However, the appearance of the camera on the Galaxy S23 Ultra might be altered slightly in the future. According to a new tweet from IceUniverse, a longtime Samsung leaker, the camera on the rear of the Galaxy S23 Ultra may look similar to the face of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, with a raised bezel in order to prevent scratches to the lenses. In a subsequent tweet, IceUniverse compares it to the camera block found on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which is characterized by recessed cameras housed within a rectangular bump located on the rear of the device. This isn't quite the design we anticipated seeing on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. However, as its rumored design is said to be similar to the Galaxy S22 Ultras, with individual cameras embedded in the back glass of the device. Additionally, the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus are also rumored to have a design similar to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Already encased in metal, the lenses of the cameras found on the Galaxy S22 Ultra have metal frames around them. According to what IceUniverse has been saying, it appears as though these metal parts will be taller on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which would be a change that is quite minor but critically crucial, because raised bezels make it much less probable that the glass of the lens will come into touch with whatever surface you're placing the phone on. The likelihood of the lenses becoming scratched is reduced significantly. On the other hand, it appears to be of a design that might potentially attract a great deal of dirt and debris from within your pocket. And if the reported boost of the 200-megapixel camera on the Galaxy S23 Ultra turns out to be accurate, you'll definitely want to use it to take a lot of pictures. In addition to this, the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 or Exynos CPU, as well as an updated display, seem to indicate that the Galaxy S23 Ultra is more of a refinement than a significant rebuild of its predecessor, the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Beginning in January of the following year, we should see the release of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, as well as the Galaxy S23, the Galaxy S23 Plus. According to one source, this might take place as early as the middle of January, which means that we could see a significant adjustment in our ranks of the best phones and the best Android phones relatively fast into the new year. So guys, we've reached the conclusion of the video for today. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to Gadgets Times, the channel where we talk about gadgets the most.